Good morning. It is Tuesday, not Monday, April 28th. It's been a crazy couple weeks with traveling to Washington, D.C., a few other local events, and so a little behind on the weekly update, but tons of information to go over. I'll be going over a lot of the information I learned in D.C. and what we were there advocating for, different costs like credit repair and FHA mortgage insurance that we're hoping we see come down. But for now, for the time being, we have some inflation concerns. We have the Strait of Hormuz still not settled. We don't know who's in charge of what over there. We have the Fed decision for April happening tomorrow on Wednesday and in the afternoon. And just all of that combined, we're seeing the markets start to price in a little bit worse leading up to that meeting, which is typically normal. Everyone thinks that, because there's a Fed meeting coming, they're going to start seeing better rates, but it's just not the time right now. We just don't have enough things piling up positively for it to work out in rates' favor. We need some kind of ball to drop to help the rates get a little bit of momentum. But good news is the drops that we're seeing, decreases in rate are only small. So right now the market's holding on. It's trying to hold strong. But we just need some good news. Everything will kind of lean on tomorrow when Jerome Powell gets behind a microphone and does what he does and talks, and hopefully for the last time. So we'll see what happens with the Fed board and everything coming in May. Those kind of changes could be the catalyst we're looking for, but TBD. The other thing I want to mention is just the markets in general. If you are out there as a buyer, the markets are heating up. The spring season is real this year, and there's a lot of multiple offer situations. But at the same time, there's a lot of situations out there where homes are sitting and you can still get a lot of really good seller concessions and just overall really sweet package as a home buyer. So be patient. Don't freak out and get into a bidding war for no reason and overpay on a home that we might not see appreciate like we have been used to seeing in previous years. Over the last 2 years, a lot of homes have been sitting pretty stagnant as far as value levels. So don't get in a bidding war just to get in a bidding war. If it's a good situation for you and you love your numbers and you love that house, then sure, there might be a situation where you might want to be aggressive and competitive, but just be cautious. And I've really been hearing a lot of loan products out there that are kind of just super gimmicks like I like to talk about. And they're not even home buyer programs. They're actually lease to own programs. So be really careful when you hear something that sounds too good to be true. Just make sure you really understand all the details because that is going to be very vital for you going forward, to make sure your payments don't increase, to make sure it's actual mortgage payments and not lease payments to some random entity. So just really be careful. If you have any questions at all, give me a call. The home inspection periods right now are really important. We've been seeing homes fall out because of sellers refusing to fix all their deferred maintenance. So be really cautious. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to having a great week and sharing a lot of really cool information with you here soon.